In just 2 minutes, you may start making money online by entering simple words. It works on any device, including your phone and PC, as long as you have internet connectivity. By inputting more words, you increase your income. If you have a little extra time each day, you can start right away and make money. I'll walk you through each step of how to type amazingly simple words so you can add an extra $300 to $600 to your daily income. All the steps, details, and websites will be covered in this little movie. I've also included a few surprises and extra tactics to help you increase your income. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. The first website we'll visit today is Askwondercom. Before we get over to the website, I have a ton of important things to show you in this video. Find the words "Earn while you learn" at the bottom of the page when you first visit this website. Click on the Apply Here option after selecting Join our team as a research analyst. The button will take you to this page after you click it. I'll show you how to use your phone or computer to type on this website to make money. To begin, you must fill out this brief application by providing your name, email address, and password. Considering that they accept registrations from all over the world, you can also include the nations you are from. They will give you an activation email as soon as your application is finished. So click on these boxes and then select Start Application. Be careful to click the blue button to activate your account or the link to confirm your login. You'll be directed to this page after completing your registration, where you may begin making money by accepting various typing assignments, projects, and research projects. For beginners, this is so simple to use that anyone can do it for free. Before I show you how to start typing and making money online, I want to guide you through this 4 steps so you have a complete understanding of how it works. If you're ready to get started, go to Step 1's Research Dashboard. This is where you may find different jobs and projects to start working on to start earning paid for your study. In Step 2, they will assign you a task to complete. If you locate projects and start working on them, you can continue and join them. Step 3 requires you to look up the solutions or pertinent sources, summarize your findings, and finish. To receive money, you must type anything here. You should watch the rest of this video because I'll walk you through each step. In Step 4, you'll turn in your work, after which you'll be happy. Here you can get compensated. Numerous projects where you can conduct research, start writing, and make money are listed in this account's research dashboard. It is extremely effective since you don't require any study or prior knowledge. All you have to do is use a special Google trick, which I will show you right now. I'll give an example to get things started. They will find you a range of tasks to choose from when I click on Marketing. Then Market Size. For instance, one category has 6 separate projects in it. When given these assignments, a lot of people find it quite difficult to type the answers to these questions. Please go to google.com. It is irrelevant if you do this on a computer or a phone. If you want to replicate something, go back to this project and highlight what were the most expensive TV shows produced in history. Go back to Google, type your query in its full, and press the search button. After then, a ton more search results will be accessible. You can see that there are several choices for responses that we may easily enter into a Google document. Let's start at the beginning so you can see exactly how to complete it before you try it out yourself. You must provide the top 10 list of the TV shows for the most expensive TV shows produced project before receiving a payment. To find the answers, all you have to do is search for the top 10 most expensive TV shows on Google, which greatly simplifies the process. The demo response, for instance, is this. Here are some justifications for the first example, ER, the second example, Friends, and so on. All they do is provide a succinct demonstration of a simple concept. As you can see in the top 1 and up to 10, these are the demo answers that they want. You can see here that this is the first website listing the top 10 most expensive TV shows. All you have to do to access it is to click on the link. The precise answers can be found by scrolling down below. You don't have to come up with these answers on your own. All you have to do is input the questions into Google, and you'll eventually have to put in some actual research. I want you to copy these, emphasizing items 1 through 10 while doing so. Return here, click copy, and then paste everything. You can see that every position from 1 to 10 is covered, including pictures. The appropriate approach is to utilize Google to research the answers before copying and pasting it into the text box to make it appear as though you are typing it. This way, you can appear to be typing even though you are not actually typing the answers or responding to the questions. However, it is not always easy to locate the solution on the first page. I'll run through the more challenging second case. We have answered the first question, which by itself can easily earn you $60 to $600. The second question is, which US cities are expanding the quickest and what is fueling that growth? You'll follow the same procedure, highlight the query, copy it all, and then use Google's search function. This answer can be found on a number of websites, but since it's a little more difficult to understand, you might not discover it on the first one. You may easily get the solution to your first inquiry on the first page, which is great because it enables you to start making money right away by simply copying and pasting. No typing is needed. The second query, however, presents a bit of a challenge because the top 10 list is not immediately apparent from the first page. As a result, you will visit our page to learn more about it. The website will open when you click on this link. As you can see, you have to look through the entire website to find out if they have a top 10 or top 20 list that you can copy and paste. But regrettably, they don't have a satisfactory answer. You're going to return to Google and attempt it on the second web page. Let's say you decide to visit the second website. Go to the bottom of the website to find a pretty good response. Copy the information you've highlighted, then return to this page. This is the first one that you can submit and upload to the website in order to get paid. After removing everything, substitute the second response in its place. Because this typing assignment for the second project is so excellent, I can submit them with ease and complete the second work here. Projects 3 and 4 can be completed using the same procedure. Continue using the same process, highlight the question, utilize Google to find an authoritative source, then copy the response. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.